Hi, we are Ambatik from Indonesia. Here, we are going to present our project Ambatik, a submission for data science competition Future Ready Asian. Ambatik is the origin of the word batik. What do you know about batik? Yes, batik is a beautiful piece of clothing from Indonesia. Batik has been listed as the intangible cultural heritage by UNICEF in 2009. But do you know there are hundreds of beautiful batik patterns in Indonesia in which each one has special meaning? Can you differentiate and name batik patterns? In this digital era, we can train our machine to recognize and classify the pattern of batik. Introducing Ambatik, a website application that is fully built in using Python, a place to learn, predict, and classify batik patterns using machine learning. Meet Ambatik team, aspiring data scientists Febri, Azhar, and our mentor Ari. Ambatik is an algorithm that we built to recognize patterns in batik and classify the batik pattern using convolutional neural networks. Let's dig into the details. We trained a custom ResNet50 model, which is an improved version of classic convolutional neural network to classify our data. First, we augment our data to get more variation and to prevent overfitting. Then train the model, test the model, and review our model. To get the best model, we experiment with the learning rate. We save the weight of our best model by looking at the validation accuracy. For the data, we have selected 4 classes of batik pattern that we use in our model. Batik Parang, a diagonally ocean waveform shape. Batik Kawung, a 4-cliff pattern inspired from the palm tree. Batik Megamendung, a cloud shape originated from Cirebon, West Java. And Batik Sekar Jagad, a combination of asymmetrical patchwork. To build the model, we use Selenium to crawl data from Google Images. Please note that we do not own any rights and do not claim any pictures that we show and use here. Here are the evaluation of our model. With average validation accuracy of 0.775, precision average 0.76, recall average 0.752, and advanced score 0.74, our model successfully classifies the batik pattern in the picture. Let's head to the demo. Using Streamlit library, we can run our web app on the localhost or either deploy it on the web. This library allows developers to create a simple yet interactive web app using only Python script. Here, we have a sidebar that outlines the contents of Ambatik. Heading to the learning section, here you will find the description of each batik pattern that we had used in building our model. Each page has a picture, description, and meaning of one particular batik pattern. Heading to Ambatik Machine Learning, the user could find information regarding how the model was built. User can also test the model by uploading batik image patterns that the user has, and the machine will try to predict and classify the pattern. Voila, the machine got correct. Pretty smart, right? Other than that, the user can compete with the machine to predict batik image we show on the web app. Now, the user knows that the batik has a lot of variations which are very pretty, the meaning behind the pattern, and test their knowledge of what they have learned. Data scientist has a role to preserve the cultural heritage. We are thanking the Committee of Future Ready Asian to hold this competition. Here, we are hoping to gather more batik images to train our model better. This is only a small part of a bigger project that we aim to finish. As a collaborative project, we are open if anyone wants to collaborate. That's all from Ambatik. Thank you. Terima kasih.